Alright, I figured I'd do a quick video on this Lasko I found in the trash the other day. Yeah, I was driving to my friend's house, and this happened to be sitting on top of a trash can. I went back around the block and picked it up. Because, I mean, why not? If anything, I can use it for parts. But anyway, this is a typical Lasko that is completely filthy, clogged up full of dirt, has no handle and no knob. The motor is completely clogged full of dirt. I don't know if this has the bigger capacitor or not. I really don't know much about it other than I found it on the curb and took it home, basically. It's like, I can't really read the date code, but right there, yeah, I don't know, wait, no, I can't get a good decipher of the date code, but anyway, it's probably from at least the past 10 years or so. I was missing some grill screws. It's not in the greatest shape, but I figured we would test it out and see what it does, if anything. So let me toss a knob on here and see what we got. Here is high. Very sluggish. Very sluggish on high speed. Not moving any air, well, for obvious reasons. And it is on high. No handle. Go to medium. Not much there. Oh god, the dirt's flying around in there. Yeah, this thing does not have much power to it right now. And low. Believe it or not, this is not the dirtiest Lasko that I've seen that still works. I'm kind of surprised this one does. Back to high. Yeah, thing is completely clogged up, and I believe it needs oiled. So yeah, there's a quick test on this garbage pick Lasko. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.